So my name is Canan and today I'm super excited to test one new product with you guys. So I got my very first Florence by Mills product, which is a cream blush. I never had a cream blush before, I never had one of her products before. She's an actress from Stranger Things and I really love Stranger Things, so I wanted to pick this one. Because like as I said, I never had a creamy blush before. I only had like powder blushes and I don't know, I just really love this dewy texture on my face. So today I put on some creamy highlighter as well, and to mix this up and like finish this whole look, I thought of just testing this live with you guys and do like a first impression with you. So if you want to see what this blush looks like, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so the packaging looks super sweet in this like pale purple and I just really love it. It says a Florence by Mills Cheek Me Later Cream Blush, and the packaging, as I said, just looks like super sweet. It's vegan and cruelty free, and this shade I picked is called Glowing G. I think this is the... was it the lightest shade? I don't know, but the other ones just looked like dark and I just really wanted to pick this one, I guess. Okay, this one is dark as well, so excuse me for that. Is it dark? Well, it's fine actually. Looks like this, and the packaging is like this plastic, and I just really like the way it fits in the hand, and it's super easy to open as well. It also says we are all a little weird in here. This is so cute. Okay, so let's see what this baby does to us. So on the package, it promises us like a creamy applying, but it dries out to like a matte finish, like to a powderish finish. So it stays on all day long, and what I'm basically just going to do is dip in here with my finger, and it feels like so soft already. It's got like a creamy, like almost lipsticky feeling to it. This is what it looks like on my finger, and what I'm gonna do is basically just pop it in my palm, like right here, and just like mix this, rub it in like that. So I've got like color on both sides, and I'm just going to dab it onto my face now. Oh, you guys, it applies super smooth and easily. Touch to your face. I really love it on my cheeks, you guys. It looks like so cute. I just really like it. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I am going to use this. I wanted to say all summer long, but summer is almost over, because like when September starts, it's all like autumn in my house, because like I love autumn. I'm an autumn person. And I'm so excited, but I think you can still rock this blush all year long. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I'm definitely going to pick more of her products because oh my gosh, it looks bomb. I hope it's going to stay on all day long, and I'm so excited about how it's going to dry out matte into like a powderish product on my face. So let's just see. That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video guys, and hope to see you soon. Goodbye!